म्हजें नांव प्रिया हरीश कामत. हांव सावड्डे कुडचडे हांगचें. फाटलीं 5 वर्सां सावन हांव म्हजें सगळें बॉडी स्क्रिनींग करतां. हे खेपे हांवें पेपराचेर एडवर्टिजमेंट वाचलो की मांडूर हांगा कॅन्सर स्क्रिनींग कॅम्प आसा.
The Cancer Screening Abhiyan through the Mobile Cancer Detection Van is a very new and unique concept which has been introduced by the government of Goa, primarily by the Union Minister Shri Shripad Bhau Naik and our Honorable Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane ji, who had the vision to develop a model by which we can take a cancer detection van with ultra modern equipment costing about 3 crore rupees to the villages and faraway places of Goa where cancer facilities are either not available or very limited.
I am Dr. S.M. Bandekar, Dean Goa Medical College. I am at present in the Mandur Health Center, Rural Health Center, for first mobile cancer detection camp, which is first of its kind in state of Goa. And in this camp, we are going to do early detection of cancer because early detection saves life.
सद्याक कॅन्सर हें दुयेंस खूब वाडलां. म्हणटकच तें जर अर्ली स्टेजीचेर डिटेक्ट जालें जाल्यार ताका उपाय करूं येता आनी खूब लोकांचो जीव वाचपाक शकता. म्हणून सगळ्यांनी हे कॅम्पाचो फायदो घेवचो. जाता तितले लोकांनी मातशे सुद्दां सिमटम्स कितेंय दिसले जाल्यार हांगा येवचें आनी सगळो बॉडी चेकअप करून घेवचो.
We have a great response today and we have almost registered more than 100 patients, and we are getting them checked for a suspicion of any cancer lesion. We have almost all facilities in this mobile cancer van. We have already scheduled multiple village camps. We are going to reach community and see that we give this service to all the people of Goa.
Yeah, the factors which were considered for these mobile cancer detection camps are that it should be a rural area which is accessible by road, since our vehicle is a big size bus. We have chosen these centers so that we can access to the health center and more people can utilize all these services.
As you know that people who stay in villages, their outreach is very poor. They do not go to the hospitals even if they have symptoms of cancer, and that is how they get neglected and their cancer increases to the last stage.
So we have offered at this rural camp for the villagers of Goa for the very first time a combination of oral checking for oral cancers, mammography for breast cancers, which is the most common cancer worldwide and in India today and also in Goa, pap smears, colposcopy and cryosurgery for suspicious lesions detecting CA of the cervix, cancer of the cervix of the uterus, ultrasounds where the surgeon or gynecologist felt there is a lump in the abdomen. So maybe it's a mass in the abdomen, maybe it's a suspected cancer of the ovary, that also is being done.
Many a times we see them in the last stage of the cancer where the treatment is not possible. So to improve the outreach to this poor community and patients in the villages, this cancer screening mobile van which is been donated by the government is very, very essential. And I feel whenever there are patients with critical symptoms of early cancer, they can be detected and taken for further treatment to Goa Medical College.
ही सेवा सुरू केल्ले बद्दल हांव गोवा गव्हर्मेंट तशें आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे हांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.